Hey, Crystal. Guess what? We're gonna play a game to show people what different things are like up and down. First of all, let's get down. Down. Okay. Now I want you to jump up. Now we're showing down. Now we're gonna jump. You jump up and show up. Jump up. Jump up. Jump up fast. Oh, that was pretty good. But you jumped up, but you came back down. Now I want you to jump up and stay up. Okay? Oh, that was up and down. Don't you understand? What?
People can stay up.
They can't?
No.
You mean when you jump up, you come back down?
Yeah.
Well, I guess that's up and down. Did you learn from that?
Goodbye.
Hmm? You do?